morning everyone. I am Vidan Bhange. I am in class 5th and I am here to give you small information about Diwali. Why we celebrate Diwali? Diwali is an important festival for Hindus around the world. It is also celebrated by other religions. People clean and decorate their homes. Diwali celebrates the return of Lord Rama to his kingdom Ayodhya after an exile period of 14 years. People of Ayodhya lit the city brightly and welcomed Rama, Lakshman and Sita by firing crackers. Diwali festival is also believed to be the symbol of goddess Lakshmi coming home. Thus, people celebrate by lighting many clay lamps called diyas around their homes. People worship goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha on this day, as they are believed to bring good luck, prosperity and wealth. They wear new clothes, offer puja and enjoy by lighting diyas and bursting few crackers. Significance and importance of 5 days of Diwali. Diwali celebrations go on for 5 days and each day has its significance. Dhanteras. Diwali begins with the first day known as Dhanteras or the worship of wealth. Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped on this day and there is a custom to purchase something precious. Narak Chaturdashi or Choti Diwali. The second day is Narak Chaturdashi or Choti Diwali. It is a significance of triumph of good over evil after Krishna's victory over Narakasura. People wake up early and apply aromatic oils on them before taking bath. This is said to remove all stains and impurities. Lakshmi Puja. The third day is the main Diwali festival. Lakshmi Puja is performed on this day. Goddess Lakshmi is believed to enter homes and bless people with good fortune. Tiny oil diyas, candles and electric lights are placed around the house. Families exchange gifts and gather together to burst crackers. Govardhan Puja or Padwa. The fourth day is Govardhan Puja or Padwa. It is the day when Lord Krishna defeated Indra, the king of gods, by lifting the huge Govardhan mountain. People make a small hillock, usually of cow dung, symbolizing Govardhan and worship it. Bhai Dooj. The fifth day and the last day is Bhai Dooj. On this day, sisters invite their brothers for a lavish meal and perform a tilak ceremony. Sisters pray for their brothers' long and happy life while the brothers give gifts to their sisters. People display fireworks during Diwali, but it should be kept in mind not to create noise and air pollution which can harm the environment. So, celebrate Diwali without bursting crackers and not harming the environment. Stay safe and stay home. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Thank you.
दीप जलाओ आज दिवाली रे खुशी खुशी समझते आओ आज दिवाली रे नाचो गाओ खुशी मनाओ आज दिवाली आई दीप जलाओ आज दिवाली रे नए नए कपड़े पहनो खाओ खूब मिठाई हाथ जोड़कर पूजा कर लो आज दिवाली आई दीप जलाओ आज दिवाली रे थैंक यू.
On the special occasion of Diwali festival, I would like to speak few words about Diwali. Diwali. First, we need to see a deep meaning of Deepavali. Deepavali means a row of light, no fireworks. Unfortunately, in recent times, Diwali has its own original values. But now, the celebration is mostly about burning firecrackers. But these affecting to environment and as well as to individual. The carbon dioxide emitted by burning firecrackers. The firecrackers produce sounds and it is very dangerous for human body. Loose clothing can catch firecrackers' flames. If anybody has catch firecrackers' flames, follow the rule. Stop. Do not run. Drop to the ground. Roll to put out the fire flames out from your body. Pets get frightened from fireworks. Keep your pets indoor. Make your Diwali green. Throwing fireworks on people are very dangerous, and plus it is illegal. And this time you have to take less quantities of firecrackers and make your Diwali green. Celebrate your Diwali green. Thank you. Happy Diwali.
The Diwali, let the firecracker burn your sources. Color make your life bright with filling in the fragrance all day and night. May the Diwali come up with the beautiful beginning, fresh hopes, bright day and new brain. Wishing you and your family very happy Diwali.
Children and parents, we all of us are now in Diwali celebration. The feast of light, the feast of celebration in our life. Diwali brings joy in our life. We all like to celebrate Diwali because it brings light from God, from darkness to light. These days, during this situation, what we are going through, we all of us are worried, living under fear. But this festival reminds us to remove this fear, remove this darkness, asking God to strengthen us in this time and pray to Him to remove the darkness from our life and bring light into our life. That is joy, peace and love for each other in our family, in our neighborhood and all over. So this year's Diwali will make a special life, rather special. Children and parents, I wish you a very happy Diwali. Celebrate Diwali with light, not with crackers. But crackers will bring pollution and it might bring us some illness. So avoid crackers, light the light around our house, expressing your joy for brotherhood, for peace and love. So once again, I wish you a very happy Diwali and God bless you. And once again, I bless you so that Almighty God bless you with abundance, prosperity and love.
खुशियों किसी के दिल में है वही, वो ज़मीं या आसमां हो, वो है हर कहीं। रोशनी रोशनी रोशनी, ये भी उसी का नाम है। ये जहां सारा उसी का काम है। उसने बनाई सबके लिए